Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your go-to place for the latest and smartest tech that makes driving safer, smarter, and more connected. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse dash cam setup, the 360 degrees view 5-channel dash cam V8 Ultra-5CH. If you've ever wished for complete visibility around your vehicle, this dash cam delivers just that. Unlike traditional front and rear systems, this one gives you a true 360 degrees perspective with 5 channels of coverage, capturing the front, rear, and interior, plus left and right blind spots. That means no blind angles, no guesswork, and full protection whether you're on the highway, in a parking lot, or navigating tight streets. The 4K Ultra HD recording ensures that every detail is crystal clear. From license plates to street signs, you get sharp footage day and night. Speaking of night, its advanced infrared night vision makes sure your video remains detailed even in low light or pitch dark conditions, perfect for late night drives or monitoring your car overnight. One standout feature is the built-in AI driver monitoring system, DMS. This smart system actively tracks driver behavior, detecting signs of drowsiness, distraction, or unsafe habits and alerting you in real time. It's like having a co-pilot that helps keep you safe. The built-in GPS not only logs your speed and location but also integrates seamlessly with video playback, giving you complete evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Add to that Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can instantly review or share footage directly from your phone through the companion app. For long-term reliability, this dash cam comes with a 128GB card included, so you're ready to go out of the box without needing to buy extra storage. And with its 24/7 parking monitor mode, your car is protected even when you're away. It detects impacts or suspicious movement and automatically records, providing peace of mind whether you're at home or out in the city. The 360 degrees view 5-channel dash cam V8 Ultra-5CH is more than just a dash camera, it's a full security and safety system for your vehicle. From crystal clear 4K recording to AI-assisted driver monitoring, this device ensures you're covered from every angle. If you're serious about driving safety and vehicle protection, check out the link below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth tech reviews right here on Gadgetverse.